Working with Gen Z? No, they're not lazy, entitled, or glued to their phones. Gen Z, born between 1997 and 2012, are bringing fresh ideas, energy, and passion to the workplace. And the key is learning how to connect with them. Hi, I'm Coach Maya, Master Certified Executive Coach and best-selling author. I help leaders design careers they truly love so they can lead with purpose and joy. So, I recently led a multi-generational workshop. Boomers, Gen X, Millennials, and Gen X all in one room. It was wild. I asked everyone this question: what do you want most from your leaders and coworkers? And you know what? Every single group said the same thing. We want to be heard and treated with respect. Simple, right? And that's the foundation for everyone. Doesn't matter which generation you're from. But Gen Z brings something different to the table, shaped by how they grew up and started working. So here's what I have learned from actually working with them. Number one, be their partner, not their parent. Most Gen Z professionals started their career during the pandemic. Remote work, hybrid, that's just life. Flexibility is not a perk, it's expected. So instead of saying, we need everyone back in the office, try, I trust you to get the work done. Let's agree on how we'll check in and what success look like. That small shift from control to trust goes a long way. Number two, when they say, I don't know, listen differently. If someone says, I don't know, it doesn't mean they're clueless. Often, they're just not confident yet. Try asking, okay, what do you know for sure? You'll be surprised how much insight comes out when you give them space to think out loud. Number three, get them off script. Here's something important. Gen Z grew up in cancel culture. Everything they say online feels permanent. So they have learned to have a script, to say the right thing, to say what others want to hear. As a leader, your job is to make it safe to be real. Try this. It's okay to say the wrong thing here, and that's how we figure things out together. When you create space for messy, honest conversations, creativity flows. Number four, don't jump to fix it. When someone is struggling, resist the urge to immediately flip it positive. Don't jump to conclusion or say, what's the opportunity here? Start with empathy. Try this. That sounds tough. Is there something you want to explore more? Acknowledge their pain. Acknowledge what they're actually feeling first. And then, and only then, can you move forward together. Number five, just be real. Gen Z can smell BS from miles away. Seriously, don't try to be cool. Don't use their slang. Don't try too hard. Just be yourself, being real, being human. And that's what creates psychological safety. So say things like, tell me more, and mean it, and really mean it. And be genuinely curious about what they think. And that's what builds trust. If this video resonated with you, hit that like button or subscribe. And that way, you won't miss the next video where we dive into more real talk like this. And please drop in a comment. I love to hear from you. Tell me what's one thing you've learned from working with Gen Z? Or if you are Gen Z, what do you wish your leaders understood better? I would love to hear from you. You got this, my friend.